Hello folks, this is Wes from B&B Audioconcepts, and today we are doing... Hi folks, today at B&B Audioconcepts we've got something a bit special. We've got my Bentley, which I bought a few months back. We've stripped it and got a Apple Carplay and Android Auto interface done by NAV-TV. They've had my car for a little while, and look at this. Probably a UK first, but there we go. Been looking for a solution. If you guys remember my old Bentley, NAV-TV had it, and they made the famous Kenwood BENHUR system. On this one, didn't really want to change the radio because the screen's large, so they've interfaced, and it's working sweet. Give you a little example. Sounds absolutely stunning. Telephone side things work. Google Maps now. Home. What can I say? This is only a demo test version. Playing with it. Should be out for release soon. Thank you for watching.
I'm on fire.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.